Hello, a very warm welcome to you in our new video series Cook with Roti Mix. Today, let's begin with Phulkas. Empty 1 sachet of Blu Mark Roti Mix in a bowl. Remove 2 teaspoons of flour for rolling the dough. Add 60 ml of water to make a dough. For 1 portion of flour, you need half portion of water. Knead it nicely and grease your hand while kneading. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Make 3 balls from the dough for 3 Phulkas. Roll each ball on a roller board to make Phulka. Put it on a preheated pan. After 10 to 12 seconds or just when the blisters start appearing on the upper surface of Phulka, turn the Phulka upside down to roast the upper side. Put the gas on medium to low flame. After roasting it nicely, turn the Phulka upside down to roast the half roasted side. With the piece of cloth, you can move the Phulka on the pan and roast it. The Phulka is ready to serve. Apply ghee or butter and serve it hot.